For the diarrhea.
Yeah,
the remedy for the diarrhea, people.
Once you have diarrhea, common remedy, Pepsi and salt. Right away.
Right away.
Yeah, you're fixed.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, man.
And them money are country man, them money are from way down in the deep country. So when them a money I tell you a thing, that's how you go, brother. Yeah, man.
Once you take Pepsi and salt, man, your belly tough.
Yeah, man. Eh?
You listen to that diversity, you might dead.
Oh. I got the money out in the race, you know. Yeah, man, the money I stand up and I done the food. Yeah. Until more go on.
Almost finished.
Almost finished. More go on for chicken.
That chicken bad.
Very done. You say any done, you then keep it. No, this one no. Please, me I beg you no.
Oh my, I ate all the bone.
There's a man that chop all him bone peeps.
Sit there. All the bone.
Nothing no nothing feed dog. See dog there look feed.
Just a little scraping.
Yeah. No meat, no nothing. Bad man.
Just a little scraping.
Scrapings leave.
Sister, what make them you do the chicken so? You make the people them lick off them 10 finger, bite them toe, and I run back for more? No,
More.
sir. Give them more chicken, more chicken, more
More
chicken.
jerk chicken the people them say them want.
Yeah. So I cry.
It is very nice. It's good, man.
Ah.
All the world is good. I thought we vodka was more than that.
Yeah. Tell them how the chicken tastes, Uncle Copeland.
This is delicious.
Delicious. Uh-huh.
I want to come back for more.
You want to come back for more?
Yeah.
More chicken the people them a ball with more jerk chicken.
I live in Lilburn, Georgia, where they call the boondock. No bus, no train.
Okay. And this man is right here enjoying him chicken and say he wants to come back for more chicken. Boom, that's how we set it.
And I got to learn the art of making jerk chicken so that I can invite people to come and
She do online chicken, you know, Uncle Copeland, so you just in we send your chicken pa we shot Atlanta. You know we send your chicken pa
Express
Atlanta go
it.
give.
Express it. Wait, some name, Mark?
Express.
No.
You said?
We take man, ready for you.
Yo, me I tell you, man. The doctor
Yeah.
make the chicken bad. Me don't know how they not lock him up. Me I tell you. Too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You would eat more chicken.
What do you, man? But me afraid they might go lock him up.
Copeland. I'm in Paddy's Chicken in Jamaica.
Paddy's Kitchen in Jamaica.
Oh, sorry, Paddy Kitchen. I enjoy the chicken, the barbecue chicken. And when you all come to Jamaica, you can give her a call. And she's ready for all of you to entertain. And when I'm also inviting the Atlanta Jamaica Association, which have over 100 members, and they come to Jamaica various times to stop by Paddy Chicken and enjoy some
Jerk
of our
chicken.
jerk chicken
And barbecue.
and
chicken
barbecue
And jerk lobster.
and oxtail and
Yes.
cold food,
All of that.
everything, all that is necessary. Yes, and just be patient. She have everything ready for you all. Ackee and saltfish, you got the works, you know, and you'll be all right. And just pass on this video to other folks that they can come. You all know Copeland. Who don't know Copeland? Not
Who
living
no
in
born
Atlanta. You mean in the bonnet?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they know to find me. I'm in the streets, night and day.
The big
Okay.
man Copeland is in the house.
Yes, and Copeland is in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Eating the chicken.
Yes.
You ready now?
Right.
Ready,
And
ready.
I'm coming right now.
Polly's kitchen.
Polly's kitchen. And with a beautiful young lady, I don't want to leave. Polly's kitchen.
Yeah,
and
but
I got,
you have some
and I
fellas
got
have to carry them home.
I got some goat man here. want to go to want to go to Westmont to